Hi everyone, Jason here from MasterbIT. For this video I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of installing Plex, both as a server on your desktop and as a client on the Telstra TV box, to allow you to have your complete media library accessible and watchable from your lounge room. So first things first, let's change to the other screen, shall we? Now just go to your favorite browser and type in Plex in the Google bar and it'll take you to this site. It's got a bit of an overview of what it provides, but mostly we just want to download the media server, so we'll do that. While it's downloading, Plex is so much better than the built-in Windows media sharing platform because it includes transcoding, which means that you can convert from one file type to another, and it allows you to play more media files on a larger range of devices. So I've already installed, but I'll install over the top just quickly. Once it's installed, it takes you to a web interface in order to configure all of the settings. So we'll just wait for that to complete. While that's loading up, the most important part about setting up Plex is simply adding your files that you want to share. So when it comes up, I'll give you a quick rundown of the settings. Most times the default is actually the best option, but I had to log in the first time. I just linked it with my Facebook account because then you don't have to fill out all the rigmarole. But once you're in, it's just a case of checking over your settings and setting up remote access. I disabled it because it means that people outside your LAN can access the files, which I didn't want. Transcode is very important, as is the DLNA, because that's how it's shared on the network. But once you have all of those settings right, it's just a case of getting your library and clicking on Add Library. Very easy. So that's all the setup on the server. Let's go and check out the Telstra TV. Now we're at the Telstra TV. I'm just going to show you how to open the app. You just go to My Apps and it should be listed there. You can see Plex. But first you have to install it. So we'll swap over to the App Store. Might be a second. And then it's just a case of scrolling it through until you find the Plex app. Now, when the first time you run the Plex app, it'll ask you, or rather show you, a 4-digit code, and then you just simply go back to your web browser setup page and put that code in, and it links it to your account, and you can watch any movie you want. So we're all good to go. So there you go. With a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, you've now got your complete media library accessible to you from the lounge room on your big screen TV, and it's cost you nothing except a little bit of time and patience. If you liked this video, click like. If you didn't like it, click dislike. If you want to see another one, click subscribe, and if you do, I'll see you soon.